Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can add new fonts on Figma. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to open a browser and you need to go to figma.com/downloads. Then scroll down a bit until you see font installers, and then make sure to download Windows if you are on Windows or macOS if you are on macOS. And once it's downloaded, you should get a setup like this, right? And then what you need to do here is to simply install it here. Wait a couple of seconds, and after completed, just close it. Then what we need to do here is to grab a font. So if I go to the font, let's, for example, download this Bright Aura font. Let's save it to desktop here. And once you have the font, right click on it, then extract all, and then save it to whatever you like. In my case, it will be desktop. And once you here, then you will find Bright Aura TTF thing here, or yeah, and then you just need to press install. Wait for a couple of seconds, then relaunch Figma, just close it, then open up Figma. Then we need to again go to the fonts here, and then let's say we need to look for Bright Aura, right? As you can see here, and now the font is added. So yeah, that's pretty much it.